Hello, mister. Can I asking you something?
Hi there. Oh, you mean, can I ask you something? Sure, go ahead.
Ah, yes, thank you. Where the bus go?
Oh, I see. You want to say, where does the bus go? This one goes downtown to the main station.
Oh, okay. I want to go there also.
Great. You can say, I want to go there too. You're doing great, by the way.
Thank you. I am boring wait long time.
Oh, I understand. But we say, I am bored waiting a long time, not boring. Boring is for something, like a movie. Bored is how you feel.
Oh, thank you so much. Your English is very delicious.
That's a fun one. You probably meant your English is very clear or very good. We say food is delicious, not English.
I see. Sorry, my English no good.
Don't say that. Try, my English is not good yet. You're learning, and that's what matters.